Okay, a major reason for developing statistical skills is to be able to make comparisons between sets of data. We can use parallel box and whisker plots to help compare statistics, such as the median, range, and IQR. So in this example, each member of class was given a jelly snake. They had to measure its initial length, which, for example, let's say this is my snake, it was initially 13 centimetres. And then I was allowed to stretch the snake to make it as long as possible, and I got my snake to 29 centimetres, for example. Let's say this is you. Your snake started as 16, and when you stretched it, you got it to 38 centimetres. So you can see there the initial length of everyone's snakes, and then here the length of their snakes once they stretched it. So from that table, some work has been done, and 5-point summaries have been done for both the initial length and the stretched length. And then from those 5-point summaries, they have drawn parallel box plots. So parallel box plots are basically, it's two box plots using the same set of axes so that we can make some comparisons. So let's look here. Here's the length that the snakes were initially, and here's the length that the snakes got to when they were stretched. So we can make some comparisons here. So we can say, okay, let's look at what the statistics are between the initial and the stretched snake. So the initial snake length here, if we look at the median, which is the middle line here in our box plot, the median is about 150 mils. Whereas our stretched snake, the median is about 350 mils. So the median value of the stretched snake is a lot more. Let's look at the range. The range is the difference of this X min and X max. The range of the stretched snake, that's a far broader set of scores there than the range of our initial snakes. So we can say that the range increased after stretching. The IQR is the difference of Q1 to Q3. So the IQR is that distance, that difference in scores for the stretched snake, and it's a much smaller IQR for the initial length of the snake. So parallel box plots enable us to make comparisons between sets of data.